friend.
There, it's appearing in your screen.
No, it's not.
Live?
Yeah, so you have to smile
Wait,
all
live?
the time, okay?
I'm on
Guys,
YouTube.
you will be watched
Wait, what?
throughout the world. So smile always.
Oh no,
Okay.
I'll just be quiet.
You're there already. See? So don't turn off your cameras, because if you turn it off, you will not be seen. Oh,
Sir, what is the YouTube name? I wanna go.
there you can just click the YouTube and choose live stream. You can watch it, view stream on YouTube.
Where?
The one at the top
Oh, wait.
left corner of your screen.
What should I type?
No need to type, just click.
Click.
Oh,
Oh, in
Okay.
YouTube, what should I type to see myself?
oh. I'm on
Okay.
YouTube. I cannot see.
I can't see too.
Sir, it says I cannot watch.
Really?
Sir, what?
Okay.
How can I see myself in YouTube?
There. Oh, I'll give you the link.
Yay. In the jungle.
Say hi. Okay, we have 1 million views here.
Really?
Yeah.
See.
I can see too. I can
Sir,
see.
it
Sir, where is it? I don't know how.
Sir, I
Sir, how to do it, sir?
It's
I
in
want to
the-
YouTube.
It's in the chat
How
box.
can I see myself in YouTube?
There. It's in the chat box.
I see it. I see it.
Yay.
Wait, I see it. I see the chat box. Wait, can I see it?
Say hi. Okay, we have 1 million views
Wait,
here.
let me see.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Hey.
Hi. I can see it. I can
Where
see
is
it.
it?
Where is it? Oh, I can see it. Sir, how to do it, sir? I want to YouTube. How can I see myself in live stream?
I'm sorry.
I see it. I see it.
Yay.
Wait, I see it. Live streams. Oh.
Say hi. Okay, we have 1 million.
Hello, everybody.
Say hello to everyone.
Hi. I can see myself in live. I can see it. Sir, how to do it, sir? I want to so noisy.
The other
I heard something.
gadgets there.
Live streams.
Getting feedback.
Hello, everybody. So noisy. Oh, and live stream.
Okay. There. Right? Is it okay now? Can you hear clearly your voice? Good. Can you see your smile? Look at your smile there. We have 6,000 views. All right. So if you have questions, you just raise your hand, okay? And I'm going to unmute you. Let's start with our powerful, the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is there. So we have 8 million watching, huh? Wow, you're so popular. We have 8 million in the house. So I'll just be using the questions to those who have submitted. Okay, let me check here. We have here Emma, JU, Esther, Jarrell, Kyra. Okay, and I think only those I'm going to submit. I'm going to use the questions. Oh, who's annotating? Oh no. Okay. So wait, what happened? Why I'm coughing? Let me spin the wheel here. So you tell me if your names are not here, okay? If your name is not here, then you tell me. You have Yunro, Emma, Jeyu, Ira, Olive, Esther, Jarrell, who else? Not here. Pan. Chef. Who else? I think no more, right? Chris. Chris. Yeah, Chris. I hope these people are ready. So let's you remember who's the person in front of you. Okay. I mean later after we spin the wheel. So let's start the spinning. And it's Chris. Chef is the first, okay? So remember, Chef, you're the first. I'll remove you. Second, after Chef will be Jarrell. Okay, Jarrell. Remember, Jarrell, you are after Chef. Have Chris. Chris, he will be after Jarrell. Okay. Remember that. JU will be after Chris. Okay. And then we have Emma after JU. See who's the lucky winner. And then Yunro. Yunro is after Emma. Next, Esther after Yunro. Then Kai Pan. Oh, Pan. After who's before Pan? Esther, right? Yeah, Esther. Okay, Pan, you're next to Esther. And then I think next will be Kyra. Oh, I'm wrong. So Olivia, after Pan Pan, and then let's see who's after Olivia. Oh no, it's not Kyra. Okay, it's Kyra. All right, so let's have the powerful timer. Okay, timer, and let's have the easy one first. Okay, 30 seconds. So who's that first? Is Chef, right? Chef, you submit your questions, but I give you comment, right? I send you a comment because your questions are repeated. So I've noticed that your questions are the same all throughout. You just rephrase and rephrase and rephrase it. So I let you do it again. If you cannot do it, then you will lose the some of the points. Okay. So make sure you do it. First question. This is easy. Okay. Easy, so it means multiple choice, 30 seconds, multiple choice or identification. So, Chef, for you, what is which is a large group of similar cells that work together? Which is a large group of similar cells that work together? A, tissue. B, xylem. C, phloem. D, organ. A, tissue. B, xylem. C, phloem. D, organ. Start. Where's Chef? Oh, I will unmute you.
You unmute you. Wait, what's that?
What's your answer?
Tissue. It's tissue.
Tissue is correct. Whoa. Okay, correct. Okay. Next. Who's next after Chef? Who's after Chef? Huh? Who's that, Esther? You?
Teacher, it's Chris.
Chris after Jarrell. After Chef is Chris. Okay. Chris, this is for you. I think Chris didn't submit also, so I will use Chef's questions here. Chris, for you, let me reset this one. Which carries sugars and other nutrients from leaves to the rest of the plant? Which transport system carries sugars and other nutrients from leaves to the rest of the plant? A, phloem. B, tissue. C, xylem. D, organ. A, phloem. B, tissue. C, xylem. D, organ. Ready? Start.
Not sure.
Huh? 18 seconds. 10. And it's time. Time already. Okay. Time. That is, the answer is phloem. Okay, it carries sugars and other nutrients. After Chris is Jarrell, right? Raise your hand if it's you, okay? After Chris is Jarrell. Jarrell, okay. All right. Jarrell has question already. Jarrell, here. Okay. Jarrell, what is the building block that make up all living things? What is the building block that make up all living things? A, organelles. B, cell. C, nucleus. D, cell membrane. Start.
Cells.
Cell. Okay. So correct. Correct. All right. After Jarrell will be Emma, right? Who's after Jarrell? Panpan? Who? After Jarrell? Yunro? Or Kyra? Kyra? Huh? Who's after Jarrell? Panpan, right? It's Panpan. Panpan, your turn. Your turn, Pan. Oh, Jayo. Oh, Jayo, right? After Jarrell? Okay. Jayo. Can you unmute Jayo?
Okay.
Okay. So Jayo have submitted already the work. Okay. Blank is a tiny green non-flowering plant. A, moss. B, spore. C, fern. Ready? Go.
A.
Huh?
A.
B.
Answer A.
A. A is correct.
A.
A, moss. Very good. Who's after
Yay!
Jayo? Pan? Kyra, Emma. Okay, Emma. Okay.
A darting helicopter coming in the way.
Emma, did you submit already your work? You submit
I'm
already, right?
so hungry. I haven't eaten for days.
What is Emma's name? Sayanaka, right? Sayonara.
No, Sayaka.
Sayaka, okay. Here. Ito, sayonara. What is sayonara? Goodbye, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know, in the Philippines, sayonara it means yours. Sayo, yours. Right, Kyra? Sayonara, your tree, because nara is a tree. Okay. Which contains a library of information. Which contains a library of information. A, cell wall. B, organelles. C, cytoplasm. D, nucleus. Ready, start.
The nucleus.
Wow, so fast. Just 2 seconds and it's finished. After Kyra is, Emma is Pan, right? Pan this time. Pan, look here. Your turn to answer. Okay, you can unmute it. Okay, I think Pan did not give me the question yet, so I'll use Emma's questionnaires. This food is a sweet liquid. This food is a sweet liquid found in the flowers of the plant. Pan. Okay, what is that sweet liquid found in the plant's flower? A, nectar. B, cells. C, juice. Sorry. D, ovary. Nectar, ovary. And that is
Ovary.
Ovary. Oh, I forgot the timer. That is
Ovary.
wrong. That's nectar. Okay, the sweet liquid found in the plant's flower. That's the nectar. Okay, next. Esther, next, right? No? What is your, what? You're the last, Esther?
I'm next to Yunro. Yunro must be first. I mean, like,
Yunro must be after Panpan, right?
no.
Who?
Pan is next to me.
Oh, sorry. Nobody raised the hand. That's why I thought it's Panpan. Who's that? Maybe Yunro after Emma, yeah?
Yes, Emma. Yunro after Emma after Yunro.
Emma after Yunro or Yunro after Emma?
Emma
Because
after
Emma
Yunro.
after Gio. Okay. So Yunro for you. It is a trait passed from parents to their young. A trait passed from parents to their young. A. Behavior. B. Inherit. C. Adaptation. D. Nectar. A. Behavior. B. Inherit. C. Adaptation. D. Nectar. Start.
Am I mute? Oh no. Oh, A.
A. Behavior is wrong. Okay. The one that is passed from parents to the young is that the trait it's called inherit. Oh no. Yes. Loading. Okay, next is Esther, right? Esther this time. Okay, Esther, I think Esther has the questionnaire. Okay, here. Okay. Wait, let me find a good question for Esther. The question that is a bit harder, that she will be challenged. Where are your questions, Esther? I didn't see. Your questions, Esther.
Can I turn on my camera first because somebody's gonna walk past?
Okay. Okay, Esther, for you.
Okay.
When animal imitates another animal or object to avoid predators, it is called A. Mimicry. B. Migration. C. Instincts. D. Behavioral adaptation. Start.
The question again?
When animal imitates another animal, it is called A. Mimicry. B. Migration. C. Instinct. D. Behavioral adaptation. When animal imitates another animal or copy another animal.
In letter.
It's time. So that is? It's time already. So on the exam, you cannot have the points, okay? So make sure that within 30 seconds, you can tell me the correct answer. The answer is, actually that is A, mimicry. That's A, mimicry. Why, Olivia, why are you calling?
Sir, unmute me, please.
When animal imitates another animal. Yeah, it's already
Or
unmuted.
copy another animal.
Sir, you know, I want to go to the toilet and
Oh, okay. You can just message me.
Time.
Okay.
So that is,
Next to Esther is
it's time already. So on the exam,
who's next to Esther? Huh? Pan, right? But Pan is finished. So Kyra now. Okay. Kyra. Where's Kyra's questionnaire? Here. You know, Kyra is very
the teacher.
blurry. I just want to show to your classmates. Yes, Esther. Oh wait, Kyra, I'll ask you later.
Teacher, it's Olivia, not Kyra.
Olivia first.
Yes.
Oh, Olivia first. Okay, then Kyra. Okay. Olivia, your turn. Olive, your turn. Okay. So Olivia, you did not submit your questionnaires yet.
Yes, but I don't understand. That's why I didn't send yet.
you know, Kyra is very,
Oh,
There's an echo there.
the teacher.
blurry. I just want to show to your classmates. Yes, Esther. Oh wait, Kyra, I'll ask you later.
Teacher, it's
Oh.
Olivia, not Kyra.
Olivia, for you. Okay.
Olivia first.
Yes.
Oh,
Since you did not,
Olivia first.
you
Okay,
did
then
not.
Kyra. Okay. Olivia, your turn.
Yes, sir.
Olive, your turn.
Sir.
Okay.
Let me get the question
Olivia,
from
you did not
Kyra.
submit your
Yes.
questionnaires yet.
Yes, but I don't know. That's why I didn't send yet.
You know, Kyra is very,
Okay, Olivia, can you please what's this?
there's an echo there.
Lower the volume of that
Blurry.
other gadget there.
Just want to show
Olivia?
to the classmates. Yes, Esther. Okay, Kyra.
You're
Teacher,
watching
it's
YouTube
Olivia.
also.
Olivia, for you. Okay. Olivia first.
Yes.
Oh, since you did not. Olivia first.
Olivia,
Olivia, your turn.
Olivia, look here. I want you to turn off that the one that you're watching, our live, okay? Because it keeps on echoing what I'm saying. All right, thank you. And now, question for you.
Okay,
They
Olivia.
are the largest.
What's this? There's an echo there.
Lower the volume of that
Blurry.
other gadget there.
Just want to show to the classmates. Yes, Esther.
Olivia, still there. We can still hear the voice from YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Look here. I want you to turn off that.
Turn off first the one that you're using to watch the live. You can turn it off first so that it will not keep on repeating what we are saying here.
I'm not doing that.
Okay. So now for you, they are the largest group in the plant kingdom and they have flowers. Okay, the largest group in the plant kingdom and they have flowers. Letter A, gymnosperm. B, angiosperm. C, deciduous. A, gymnosperm. B. Angiosperm, C. Deciduous. Timer starts now.
C.
C. Kyra is smiling. Is that correct, Kyra? All right, that's not correct, Olivia. That is angiosperm. Okay, that's angiosperm. So angiosperm is the largest group in the plant kingdom, and they are having flowers. Okay, it's Kyra's turn. Okay, for you, Kyra. What is an ability of a plant or animal to survive in its environment? The ability of a plant or animal to survive in the environment. Start. There's no choices.
Adaptation.
Adaptation is correct. Okay. Adaptation is correct. Very good. Yes, Esther. Yes.
Teacher, after we're done, can we leave?
No, not yet, because there's
Okay.
another round. Another round.
Because you're asking.
Uh,
Who's that, sir? Who's
Huh?
that?
what do you mean, who's that?
Top chat. What's who is that?
I don't know. I don't know who scored up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Okay. Let's continue. Nagsulod sila. Okay. Just raise your hand if you have the answer. Okay, raise your hand and I will unmute you.
But how can you see me? How can
Just
you
raise your hand. Okay, raise your hand if you have the answer.
know if I have the answer and I'm not in your screen? How can you see me?
You are in my screen. I can see all of you. Esther, yes.
Can we raise the hand button or our real hand?
Hand or the reaction, that picture hand or your hand. I can see all of you.
Oh.
Okay. This one. Explain what is pollination. What is pollination? Raise your hand. Kyra. Oh, so Pan is raising his hand. Yes, Kyra.
When the seedling grows into an adult plant, it will create its own seeds. First, the male part of a flower or cone produces pollen. Pollen is male sex cells called sperm. Then wind, water, or animals carry the powdery yellow pollen to the female part of the flower or cone. Female sex cells called eggs are formed in the female plant's parts. The transfer from the male to the female parts of a plant is called pollination.
Okay, very complete answer. Okay, and on the exam, you are not allowed to read or to look at the copy. Okay, you have to say it in your own words, even if it's not really word for word, but as long as you can explain, then you will have the 10 points. Okay, if not, if I can sense that you're reading something or looking to someone who's telling you the answer, then I will minus your point. and background should be removed. I mean, the virtual background should be removed, and hands up. Okay, hands up. All right. Next, this question. JU is not here already, right? Where's JU? Okay. Wait. Next question. Raise your hand if you have the answer. Explain photosynthesis. Explain photosynthesis. Raise your hand if you have the answer. Jayo, yes. You. Explain photosynthesis.
Sir, I'm just gonna do it with my own words. Photosynthesis is the process where a plant makes food by the sun, carbon dioxide, and other materials.
Like water. Okay. Water, sunlight, carbon dioxide. They are going to make food in plant cells, chloroplast. Okay, next question. Explain how migration helps animals. Explain how migration helps animals. Raise your hand. Yes, we have Emma.
It helps animals because when there's winter, they can't find the food, so they migrate to another place to have food.
Okay, so that they'll be able to find food and survive. Okay, so let me find the other. This is the last question. Okay. Esther, I did not see your essays here. Wait, I cannot see. Esther, you don't have. Okay, this one. Explain the difference between no, never mind. Explain the difference between instinct and learned behavior. Instinct and learned behavior. Raise your hand. Instinct. Esther. Yes.
Learned behavior is started by the animals, and the instinct is learned by the
Let's listen first. Emma first, okay? Esther? Okay, let's listen to Emma first. Emma.
The instincts, they are born knowing how to do it, but learned behaviors they need to learn and be taught by their parents or anyone who's around.
Okay, very good. So learn behavior, there's somebody teaching them the behavior that is being taught. While instinct, these are the behavior that they have in themselves. Okay, they were born that way. Okay, like the opossum, they can play dead, but nobody is teaching them. Oh, this is how you play dead. You lower your breathing and slow down, don't move, then the predators will not eat you. Okay, nobody's teaching them. But for learned behavior, somebody is teaching them. Okay, so I think it's time already. Maybe we'll have another review tomorrow, and I will be. You want like this, or you want maybe? Oh, Tun is here. What? Tun was not here a while ago, right? Okay, I'm going to unmute all of you so that you can talk, but do not make noise. I'll stop sharing. Let me. Don't talk all together. You have to take turns.
Yes, finally.
Okay. So what do you think? You want like this, or I can sense that you're getting bored in this kind of review. So you want me to make a game tomorrow, like Kahoot
Quizzes.
or Quizzes or Nearpod, or like this?
Sir, quizzes. I want quizzes.
Somebody saying yes, somebody saying no, somebody saying yes. So maybe let's vote. Okay, if you want a game tomorrow, raise your hand. Raise your hand.
I want a game tomorrow.
If you want like this tomorrow, like this, what we do today, raise your hand. Oh, only 2. Okay, so all right, I will prepare questions tomorrow for your Kahoot, Quizzes, and Nearpod. Let's try these 3 games tomorrow, and maybe if we still have time, we will also play the word wall. Okay, so that's all for today. Do you have any more questions? Yes, Esther?
Teacher, so when it's our final exam, are we gonna have like oral or like quizzes?
No, oral. In the final, in the exam, it will be oral. Okay, and if we cannot finish it, then we will use our science class the next week.
Sir, is all the question coming from our pointers, like our own questions?
Yeah, I will be asking the questions from your own questions. Okay. Any more questions, clarifications, violent reactions?
Sir, what was the thing that you were asking me? Like,
your essays, it's not clear. I cannot find your essays in your submission. Submission of this questionnaire. All right. So let's pray. Can I request Panpan to pray for us? Panpan, I want you to stay here after the prayer. Panpan, Yunro, Olivia, Chef, and Chris. Okay,
Why,
the
sir?
rest can go.
So why do I have to say?
Teacher,
I
can
will tell you
rewrite
after
it?
the prayer.
Can I rewrite?
What is that?
Can I rewrite that only one?
Yeah, you can write it. Let's pray with Pan Pan.
Dear Father God, thank you for this day. Please help us to be good fun teacher and be happy in this one. Pray, may God bless and one in Jesus' name. Pray, amen.
Amen. Thank you very much, everyone. God bless and have a nice day. Okay?
Teacher, can I rewrite my essays?
May I leave now?
Yeah, can.
The answers only.
Yeah.
Leave
Okay.
now?
Teacher,
Yunro, where's Yunro? Why did Oh,
teacher,
Yunro is there. Yes.
I write 5 because I thought it was two like that. 2 points each.
What is that? What is that? Hera?
I wrote 5 for the essays because I thought it's 5 each.
Oh, you only wrote 5 essays?
Yeah, I thought it was 2 points each.
No. That's only one. It's counted one, but when I ask you during the exam, it's equivalent to 10 points. But it should be counted one in the questions. So you will have 50 questions all.
But,
Okay.
So I have to rewrite it
But-
or no?
You can just add 5 more. If you wrote 45,
How about
then
if
you
you don't want?
have-
If we write only 45, how many points?
It will be 0.5 minus per missed question. 0.5. So 5. So 0.5, 1, 2, maybe 2.5 points minus.
Okay.
Okay. Jarrell, you can lead. Yeah, I think you don't have problem. Yunro, Olivia, bye-bye. Olivia, Pan, and Chef. Can you open your cameras?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait, let me stop first.